I was riding on the freeway in Phoenix, and a distracted driver wasn't paying attention and decided he wanted to be in the same lane I was in. First thing I remember after the accident was waking up in the hospital in a room, kind of patched up a little bit. My wife was there with me. I don't remember anything from the actual accident. The injuries from the accident were a compound fracture on my leg. My right eye socket was shattered. I've had 5 ruptured discs in my back. My initial thought of my injuries was, am I going to be able to ride again? Am I going to be able to even walk again or go back to work? It all flashes before you. Believe it or not, I was angry about my motorcycle because I knew it couldn't look any better than I did. I found out when I was in the hospital, my wife was there and she had already contacted Law Tigers by commercials we've seen, and we go to all the bike festivals and Law Tigers are there. I felt better when she told me that they were already notified and getting things going. You just know you have to get somebody that knows what they're doing. In a case like this, you don't want to take that on yourself. After I got out of the hospital, I was recovering at the house. About a week later, my lawyer, Joe Brown, showed up with his experts to look at the motorcycle, to do the evaluation on it and make sure, what the damages were on it. That's the first contact I had with him, and that was a good experience for me. I felt secure with how they were taking care of me there. With Law Tigers by my side, it was pretty effortless through the whole thing. I mean, the medical was taken care of, rehab was scheduled. If I knew of somebody that was in bad shape and needed help, I would definitely recommend Law Tigers. I would never tell them to do it themselves, to get an expert, a professional at it, and they're the ones.